Welcome back to the KOAM Morning News on Fox 14. We are going to, well, we've already finished off the poke cake. I'm excited. Earlier this morning, you showed us how you obviously make the Jell-O, and then we poked holes in the cake and filled it up, and then you would set it in the fridge for a few hours.
Correct.
4 to 5 hours, and we just decorated it before the break, and I guess it's time to sing you happy birthday.
What, do you want to see the inside first?
No.
No?
Yes, we're going to sing you happy birthday. I need your help. From a distance, at least. All right. All right. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Chef Anthony Fisher. Happy birthday to you.
I appreciate that. Thank you
Not
very
quite
much.
Marilyn Monroe-esque, but I tried.
That's all right.
Okay, so now I want to see the inside.
Okay, so, when you cut a round cake, the easiest way to do this is to make one slice down the middle all the way across. And then you pick where you want your next slice to be. Like if I wanted to cut it into quarters, just split it and then split it again.
Simple, simple.
Very simple. Easiest way to do this, and probably one of the most effective ways to do this. So we'll pull this right on
Ooh,
out
how pretty is that?
and lay that right up on there.
Now, since you normally don't fix one for yourself, I'm making you today because you actually have to take the first bite because it's your birthday cake.
There we go. And you can see right inside into the cake at how beautiful that is. And the Jell-O just seeping down through it. And every time you make this, you'll find different ways to make it better. So you'll play with it. You'll figure it a way that you like the most and just have fun with it.
All right, let's see how you did. I'm sure it was amazing.
Oh, the memories.
Oh, that's so good.
Isn't that great?
Mmm.
And the icing's not real heavy because it's just Cool Whip. And when it's nice and cold, it's just perfect.
Super refreshing, perfect cake for summer parties, summer birthday parties. Kids are gonna love it, adults are gonna love it. It's his favorite birthday cake.
Oh yeah, I love this. You
Thank you
can't
for
go wrong.
sharing one of your favorites with us.
I'm happy to do it.
Yeah.
I hope you guys make one at home and enjoy it just as much as I do.
What do we have coming up next week?
I haven't decided yet. I'm kind of torn. I have lots of ideas for next week, but
And if
We'll
you
just have
guys
to
have
see.
anything that you'd like to learn how to make, or if you need tips on things, feel free to send either of us a Facebook message, and I'll get in contact with Chef Anthony and say, hey, somebody wants us to make such
yeah,
and
I'd be
such.
happy to do it. But one thing I want to say out real quick. Remember, Father's Day is coming up. And with Father's Day rapidly approaching, people are trying to figure out what to get dads for Father's Day. Please be careful when you go out and you're shopping for supplies, grilling supplies and grilling equipment for dad. Take your time, do your research, okay? Sometimes spending a little bit more or something that's not quite as cool looking is gonna be more functional and versatile for dad throughout the year.
Right, and it'll last longer too.
And it'll last longer too. So your investment lasts, and the more he uses it, the better, the happier he'll be.
Because he'll remember who gave that to him
That's right.
forever. All right,
So-
well, thank you so much.
Of course.
I think we should all go out and celebrate your birthday this weekend.
I think we should.
Of course, why not? All right, well, we are going to go ahead and go to break and continue to eat this amazing cake. And thank you so much, and we'll see you next week.
I'll see you next week.
We'll be right back.